Hello, my name is Sujata Singh. I'm a coach. I'm an ICF certified coach. I'm also a performance trainer, leadership development professional with more than 22 years of work experience. I thank GD Goenka for giving me this opportunity of voicing my opinion about a woman's integrity in a man's world. Thank you, GD Goenka. So in my opinion, what is integrity? Integrity is working on your thoughts and actions and doing exactly what you think is right without expecting any personal gain. So if we were to look at integrity and women's integrity, particularly in a man's world, over these 22 years, I have seen a lot of changes. As a professional, as a woman professional who has had to work through marriage, through childbirth, through maternity, and of course through child rearing, raising a child, raising multiple children, I have actually seen the kind of changes in the corporate world and in the world outside as well, globally as well, as a woman leader. I have seen earlier a clear existence of a glass ceiling, of a gender bias, a strong gender bias in the industry, in various industries that I have worked in. Be it projects that were of great importance to us, or be it the kind of work that we wanted to do, the choice of work, or be it promotions, be it comparison of pay packages across the industry. I had seen a clear bias at that point in time. Women had to work themselves doubly hard, had to prove themselves all the time, and much more than their male counterparts had to. However, there has been a great welcome change in the entire industry. I see many organizations like Microsoft, Genpact, Oracle, and many others, Indian organizations as well, being much more gender inclusive, welcoming women on their board, welcoming more and more numbers of women on their board, because they find that more the number of women executives in the top layers of their organization, more balanced their decision-making processes, their strategic planning. Because women, as women, we are wired a little differently from men in terms of emotional maturity, in terms of emotional intelligence, in terms of decision-making capacity, in terms of lateral thinking, in terms of being able to multitask, and various other such tools and special qualities that we have. So I've seen that welcome change. However, even after all of this change, it is really sad to note that less than 5% of CEOs globally are women. And more than 56% of women even today quit their jobs at the peak of their career, because they are at the crossroads of being able to choose between their family and their careers. And at that point, they're actually forced to quit their careers and choose their families instead. Even today, whether we actually accept it or not, a child's overall well-development or holistic development is more attributed to the mother than the father. So I think the kind of changes that we require in our industry and in our family setups, in our social setups, have to be much more conscious, much more in favor of equality. In fact, women have to be treated more than equal for the next 10 or 15 years for us to be able to bridge this gap successfully. So the integrity of a woman is completely based on the kind of behaviors and the actions that that woman is expected to take in a man's world. And together, I strongly believe that we can all make it our world, an inclusive world, not just a man's world. So
Hi, I'm Chaitali. I work as an SMR in a multinational company, and today I'm going to talk about a term called female integrity in men's world. When we talk about this term, a lot of different thoughts in a positive way comes in our mind. Nowadays, females have developed themselves effortlessly. They have gone one step ahead in the terms of financial freedom, equality against a gender, and being socially well accepted in many eras and arenas. Being a mother, a working mother myself, I try to manage everything very nicely, taking care of my family as well as managing my work, since I prioritize both of the aspects equivalently and try to deliver my 100%. When we talk about today's world, we have females working side by side with men, trying to support themselves and their families in the terms of finances, apart from being emotionally available for them. I think it's a great way, and we have an amazing road to go and capture. I think we have been raising the bar all the time and time again. So I think it is a great way to develop from a cocoon to an iron butterfly. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Aanchal Nair. I am a mother of 2 children. I have 16 years of work experience with learning and development throughout. Currently I'm a part of an organization called Indigo. Now let's talk about what is integrity first. So integrity means always doing the right thing, no matter what, no matter who's watching us. We always have to ensure that we do the right thing, and it is a very important value for us to have, whether we are men or women in today's world. Now, when I talk about women, I think integrity has always been an integral part of a woman's journey to find her place in a man's world. I think that women have always been very high in integrity. They work with a high set of values, and even though at times it is extremely challenging and difficult, but they're still able to maintain that integrity no matter what. I guess in the end, I would just like to say, with my experience, that integrity has always been a part of a woman's journey, and it is an extremely important value for all of us to have to be able to be successful.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shuchi Gupta from Gurgaon. I am a homeopathic doctor practicing in Gurgaon only. So today's topic is women's integrity in men's world. What does it mean to be a woman of integrity? Yes, she is the one who remains loyal to herself and her core values despite societal norms and pressure. Integrity is more than simply being honest and true. It's a challenge to value having integrity in a world where speed and benefits are everything. When we speak of women integrity in men's world, we refer to a value that is vital for good living. Every woman out there has a dream, which she reaches out of her rational choices. Integrity leads to empowerment of women. It means allowing and accepting women in decision-making process, economic sphere, making awareness, literacy and training. Empowerment of women is the necessity of a development of a society. Yes, it's true that it's a men's world, but today even male members of our society, they are changing. They become more understanding, and yes, because of proper education, which is the basic point of our development. And these changes start from our homes only. We should teach our boys to respect women, girls of all age groups, because together only we can strive to keep our mutual integrity and a respectful and valuable relationships.
Dear teachers, students and my fellow parents, today I am here to talk about a little on women's equality in the man's world, the world we live in. As we all know, women's equality didn't exist until a few decades ago. Men were the dominant side of the coin and women were the weak ones. However, with time and technology, we have seen a positive change in people's attitude towards women. An increasing number of women are getting equal opportunities to have a career alongside a family. Boys are taught to respect girls and treat them equally, which translates into an equal relationship as grown men and women. My motive through this short speech is to encourage young boys to consider their family peers equal and continue this thinking throughout their lives. This would also improve the world for our future generation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, This is Zenith Chaudhary, and today I am here to share a few of my views on World Women Equality Day. Today on 26th of August, every year now we are celebrating Women Equality Day. Since 1920, when the 19th Amendment was done in the US Constitution, where the women has been given the right to vote. Before that, we never had even the right to vote. So my foremost question is why there is a need for women equality? Why we are considered as the lesser gender? Why, what we have not achieved, what we have not done? So why all such things are there? If we talk about Wing Commander Pooja Thakur, if we talk about Deepika Padukone, if we talk about Arunima Sinha, Rupa Devi, PV Sandhu, n number of people are out there, women are out there who are actually achieving exceptionally. So we are not asking that we want to empower the man or we want to empower the other gender, but we must empower ourselves. So on today, on World Women Equality Day, let us promise to ourselves that we must get what we deserve. We must be respected and we must get empowered, and we should work towards the empowerment of the women.
यत्र नार्यसु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता, सत्य ही कहा गया है। जहाँ नारी की पूजा होती है, अर्थात जहाँ उसे सम्मान मिलता है, वह देश, वह राष्ट्र निरंतर विकास को प्राप्त होता है। हमारे वेदों में भी ऋषि मुनियों ने भी नारी की महत्ता का वर्णन किया है, नारी शक्ति की उपासना की है। आज हर लड़की अपने पिता से एक ही बात कहना चाहती है कि वह इस दुनिया पर बोझ नहीं है। इस पुरुष प्रधान समाज में लड़की को अपना स्थान बनाने के लिए निरंतर संघर्ष करना पड़ा है। कल जहां स्त्री चूल्हा, चौका और घर की चार दीवारी तक ही सीमित थी, आज वह देश के हर क्षेत्र में पुरुषों के कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर कार्यरत है। जहां उसे निर्णयहीन कहा जाता है था, आज वही नारी शिक्षा का क्षेत्र हो, राजनीति का क्षेत्र हो, चाहे सुरक्षा का क्षेत्र हो, हर क्षेत्र में पुरुषों के साथ कार्य कर रही है। इतने सालों से वह पुरुष के हाथों की कठपुतली थी, पर अब वह हर जगह, घर, बाहर, जमीन से लेकर आसमान तक, जल से लेकर वायु तक अपनी अकाट्य निर्णय क्षमता से अपने अद्भुत योगदान के लिए प्रशंसनीय है। हमें अपनी यात्रा यहीं समाप्त नहीं करनी है। हमें सभी महिलाओं को आगे लेकर आना है, उनके उत्थान के लिए निरंतर कार्य करना है, जो समाज से परित्यक्त हैं, जो सामाजिकता से वंचित हैं। नारी अपने हर रूप में वंदनीय है। शिक्षा प्राप्त करने के बावजूद भी, अपने उच्च पद को प्राप्त करने के बावजूद भी वह अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से मुक्त नहीं हो पाई है। वह अपने संस्कारों से बंधी हुई है। घर में वह माता की भूमिका में, पत्नी की भूमिका में, बहन की भूमिका में, एक बहू की भूमिका में और एक समाज सेविका की भूमिका में अपने दिए हुए रोल को अदा कर रही है। आज हम तृतीय विश्व युद्ध के अधिवासी हैं। नारी सशक्तिकरण से तो अभी हम कोसों दूर है, परंतु हमें अभी बहुत दूर चलना है। समाज के उन महिलाओं को न्याय दिलाना है जो परित्यक्त हैं, जो समाज से दूर हैं, जो शोषित वर्ग है, उनके लिए कार्य कर। आज की नारी अपने संस्कारों में बंधी हुई, अपनी शालीनता से समाज में हर रूप में वंदनीय है। इन्हीं पंक्तियों से नारी की भूमिका दर्शाती है कि दुनिया की पहचान है औरत, हर घर की जान है औरत, बेटी, बहन, माँ और पत्नी बनकर हर घर की शान है औरत। मैं शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में पिछले 20 वर्षों से कार्यरत हूँ और मैं जीडी गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल की तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि जिन्होंने मुझे यह मंच प्रदान किया कि मैं अपने विचार को व्यक्त कर सकूं। एक बार पुनः जीडी गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, सादर आभार। धन्यवाद।